Hi, welcome to Scooter, the premium most brand in the managed office service industry in India. Scooter, come sit work. So Scooter is all about managing flexibility, customization with the high premium quality services like flexibility in the furniture, flexibility in the terms of lease, flexibility in the terms of working environment, with complete environment of fresh air, fresh water, and we have scientifically proved that flexibility in terms of what value add-on you want. Scooter gives you delivery in the terms of service a top notch. We commit you, but we will deliver you over above expectations. Why do we do that? Because we are always on the principle of giving extra. So that is what Scooter brand is. If a client requires in a stipulated period of time the office to be ready, we will try and commit under, but we will deliver over. That is what Scooter promise means. In the terms of premiumness, in the terms of quality of service, in the terms of delivery, in the terms of time, in the terms of IT technology, furniture, layouts, everything. Because we have an experience of 15 years. The complete Scooter team, the founder members, has an experience of 15 years, of 1.5 decade, which is imbibed in their hearts, mind and soul. We are a complete passionate team and we work wholeheartedly for our client. Client is number one, then is we. If you really want to see a beautiful office, first go to the washrooms and see how the beautiful washroom looks like. If it is really top-notch quality, you will understand how the office will come. How does Scooter choose real estate? Real estate is the most important aspect of the engineering of a product which we give as a service. Real estate is more important to understand how it looks like, where it is located, what are the compliances, what are the security protocols, what are the due diligence of that property. We completely analyze all these aspects and choose a real estate because we know the client will ask for it, and that homework we have already done. So if you talk about Scooter choosing the right real estate, for example, if you see this unit, it's a complete beautiful corner unit. It has an open canvas layout. If our clients want 4x2 size of the workstation, we will deploy that. If you want 5x3, we will deploy that. If you want 5x4, we'll do that. So how do we do that? Because we never create any workstation. It is your own office. It is the client's office, not mine. So I will create a layout. I will create a unit. I will create the structure. I will create everything for you, what you want and desire. That is why we are a company which is completely focused on clients, which is completely focused on their flexibility, which is completely focused on their long-term existence. Scooter believes in the 3-word philosophy. First word is passion. We are a complete passionate team. The complete Scooter team is very passionate what we do. Second is perseverance. Till the time we achieve the goal, we are after it. This is called perseverance and we are 100% towards it. Persistence. Till the time we find the quality, we find what exactly we want to make, we will never give up. This is all the 3 qualities emphasizing in Scooter as a brand. I still remember that day when we kept the name Scooter Global Private Limited. It was a deliberate attempt. We analyzed it 3 years before that we will be the first Indian company in managed office service domain which will go global. And believe me, we are going global. So kickstart your way.